In my last video, I mentioned I'll be giving a step-by-step breakdown of the top 5 Notion templates that keep my life organized. Well, I've come to deliver. So stick around, because I've got something special to share at the end. First things first, head over to the Notion website. You can either download the app or log in from the website. Both work the same. If you are a content creator, this planner is a game changer. Trust me. And the best part, if you post on multiple platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you don't have to relearn things because every section is the same. Step 1, head in the templates. On the search bar, search for Content Planner. Click Add and give it a second to install. Once it's ready, you'll find it in your sidebar. Inside of the Content Planner, you've got the platforms which displays all the media, such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. In the Track and Update section, it compiles everything you have from each platforms into one space. In the Create and Organize section, it's pretty much the same. However, it separates each content into types, such as articles, images, short videos, and so on. And in the calendar section, well, it displays the schedule, which helps you stay on top of your progress. For example, let's say I'm planning a YouTube video. I will go to Track and Update section, click a new page, and enter my idea. I can also add tags like YouTube or Instagram, set a schedule, which updates the calendar automatically, and move it across different stages, such as idea, in progress, published. Pro tip, make checking this planner a daily habit. It will keep your content organized and your workflow smooth. Number 2, personal finance tracker. If you ever lost track of where your money's going, this finance tracker will fix that. Step 1, just like before, search for the personal finance tracker. Click Add and open it in your sidebar. The template is split into 2 sections. The first one is the income section, which helps you add earnings, set categories, and track transaction dates. The second one is the expense section. Same thing, but for outgoing money. And if you're wondering where the other months went, click the Hidden Groups drop down. It expands everything. If you're not seeing your financial decisions in a graph format, it's probably because you're not using the Notion Student Plan. To activate it, click your profile, navigate to settings, and log in your student email. Once that's done, your life choices will be visualized beautifully. Number 3, business idea pad. If you're an entrepreneur like me, this template helps turn random ideas into real businesses. Open Business Idea Pad. Click New Page and enter details like business model, for example, SaaS, e-commerce, yada yada. Let's use my meal planner as an example. Business model, SaaS, revenue model, subscription, target audience, etc. If your YouTube instincts are telling you a promo is coming, well, you're absolutely wrong. Right. I don't slap myself. I'm currently building a meal planning app because I wanted to save time, money, and make cooking fun, which is very important to me. So please, stick around to the end of the video to hear more about it. 4. Student Dashboard. Step 1, installing the Student Dashboard. Same process, search for Student Dashboard, click Add, open it. Next, we're just going to be looking at what's inside. First of all, we've got the navigation section, which has quick access to important links. The YouTube study playlist. Personally, I listen to Death Note OST because it makes me feel like a detective. And inside school links, you can install course materials, class schedules, and lecture notes. Alright, let's keep going. We've got exam schedules to set up deadlines for assignments and exams. Finally, the ultimate accounting system. For business owners, this system helps you track everything financially. The first thing you want to do is delete the sample data because no one cares. Second, change dates format, right click, click edit property, then set your preferred format. I use 12 hours time. And third, set currency. Right click money in, go to edit property, and pick your currency. Do the same for money out. One last thing I forgot to mention is how to set up the balance. because as you can see on the left side, the currency is still euros. So what you're going to do is navigate to the master settings, click on transactions, click on admin, and then balance effect, edit property, and then US dollars, and voila. That's it. Now I have imparted my knowledge of Notion templates into you. Go forth and explore the world of Notion. But, before you go, I mentioned I would tell you more about my meal planning app. As a busy person who's being health conscious and is trying not to eat out as often, I needed something to save me the stress of finding a good recipe and crafting the perfect grocery list that'll take my financial situations into consideration, because those egg prices are not going down. And for times when I don't feel like grocery shopping, I need something that will automatically cart my grocery list so I can order for delivery, or recommend recipes based on my leftovers or things in my pantry. So I decided to take matters into my own hands. So now I'm creating a meal planner as a total beginner, and I'll be sharing my journey with you guys. If you're interested, make sure to like and subscribe so you can get a notification when the video is out. Well, I'm Master Digits, and see you in the next video.